Hi everyone! Today I'm making simple pancakes for breakfast. I often make this recipe because it's easy and quick. These pancakes are good for breakfast or lunch box. Let's do it! Add in a bowl 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, tablespoon of sugar, teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You can use vanilla flavor. Whisk all ingredients together. Add tablespoon of oil, or you can use any kind of butter. Let the butter rest for about 10 minutes. Then place skillet over medium heat. Lightly grease with butter. Add about quarter cup of butter and cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Okay, this is looking good. I added condensed milk and berries. And now I show you how thick and fluffy they are. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.